power's out. I wasn't gonna video this, but Bryce is sitting around doing nothing, so he's like, why don't we video this? And I got all these Scangrip lights. I got better lighting in here now than I normally do. So we're gonna do the Dinan pedals in my E92. I'm in love with them. I'm gonna do them in the M5, and I did them in on the 1M. So they're just super simple. The gas pedal just screws right into the plastic pedal here. So what we'll do, let's get it centered. I'll mark it with a red pen or red Sharpie, and they're gonna drill little 1/8" holes, and then we'll use the self-tappers to finish it off. Okay, got an 1/8" bit. Make sure you don't put your finger behind there. There's our holes. Take the little self-tappers here. Just set it up on my impact. Just kind of loosely put them in one at a time. The gas pedal is always the easy one because it's plastic. These have good grip because they have like a rubber foot thingy, whatever you want to call that. There's a gas pedal done. I have to get that. I hit it with the red marker. I'm gonna have to fix that. Let's do the brake. You want to try to get this lined up so it's in the grooves so you can drill it properly. On this side, we need to drill 3/16 holes, so these need to be bigger. And I learned my lesson, and I try to drill smaller holes before, and that caused all kinds of problems. I ended up, on the 1M, I ended up breaking off one of the screws, and then I had to tap it out, created a whole mess. So this time I'm gonna actually follow the instructions. Gosh, these Scangrip line lights are so awesome. Have I said that before? So, what I think I'm gonna have to do, I'm just gonna drill it. Once I get one of them, this is what I did last time. It's hard to mark these. So I'm just gonna go in with a really small bit first. You wanna make sure you get it. See these grooves here? These you wanna get it in that groove. On the top and the bottom. Shoot, moved. All right, let's get the bottom ones in, and then we'll blow through the top, I think. Nice. All right, so we'll put these. Shorter screws should be fine. Get these fit, and then I probably will just want to make sure it's lined up so I don't end up with a crooked pedal. Yeah, that'll at least keep it semi-lined up while I drill the holes. It's always better doing something a second time. Dang. I guess that is a good spot. I'm gonna screw this thing in. All right, stop being lazy. What I'm gonna do is just torque these down and then kind of tweak that a little bit. All right, what size are these things?
get in?
I don't know. It's supposed to be here in mid-June, but I guess they haven't arrived yet. Yeah. Ain't June no more. This is not how you're supposed to do it, but I'm doing it this way. Shoot. First time using this wrench. There we go. Not too janky. There we go. Pedal number 2. I think it's straight. I don't think I did a very good job of that. Does it look straight from your angle?
I can't see.
No. Dang it.
It looks like it's tilted to the left a little.
Yep. Dang it! I can never do anything right. It's getting hot in here now. I take it off and I make the holes a little bigger. One of the holes. That's why, because it slipped. So actually, neither one of those hit. That's why, that's what happened. So here's my holes. And then when I drilled my bigger hole, it slid over. There, I think I fixed it. Don't do it this way. Gosh, I'm sweating. Turn the power on. This is supposed to be a 2-minute project because I've already done this before. Turned into a 3-hour project as usual. That's what happens when you're an idiot. My freaking hashtag, I should be wearing my hashtag janky shirt right now is what I should be doing. There we go. That's a little more lined up. I knew something was wonky. All right, crisis averted. Until it falls off in 3 hours. In the middle of all my track driving. It's a good thing I can't heel toe anyway. That looks straight, right? Pedal number 2, done. Pedal number 3, we're gonna do it the right way this time. There we go. That works better. Now I can just drill the right size holes right from the get. Till it slides on me. Talk too much trash about how nice his pedals are, and I made them not nice by jacking it up. Story of my life. I swear, in my head, this was going to be like a 10-minute project. So this one, you need to be careful not to go too tight because it's plastic. Boom. Beautiful. Semi-straight pedals. With only a little bit of red marker all over them. Just the way I like it. I can't vacuum anything because I don't have any power. So there you go, pedals, done. Stay tuned for more janky. That's gonna be my new tagline.